So these two sales came in right here, $900 each. That was an $1,800 day that I made yesterday. And in this video, I'm gonna reveal the exact step-by-step strategy I use so you can go out there by the end of the video and do the exact same thing. If you don't know what high ticket affiliate marketing is, basically it's where you don't have to create any of the products yourself. You just find products that are already created, already selling well, and in this case, that are gonna pay us a higher amount, and then you just promote those products. And when someone buys those products through you, you earn a commission. Now, the first step is we wanna choose a high ticket program to promote. Now, in this step-by-step strategy, I'm gonna share with you right here my top 4 things that I look for when I actually choose a high ticket program that I wanna sell and make commissions with. That's how I was able to generate those 2 $900 commissions in a single day. And by the way, that was actually generated on autopilot, which I'll share a little bit later. So the very first step is I recommend you choose a program that pays you higher ticket commissions, at least $250, okay? Now there's different debates on what constitutes high ticket. Some people say, it's over $500, over $1,000, but I like to think, at least $250 because you only need 4 of those to hit $1,000 a day, which is very doable, with the strategy that I'll share with you. Also, I look for it has tons of testimonials. So one of the best ways, and again, I'll touch on this a little bit later when it comes to marketing and promoting these products, one of the best ways to do that is to leverage testimonials, okay? Things like, proof and results of other people, okay? So you wanna look for, does this program have a lot of evidence of other people, making money if it's in the make money online niche, losing weight if it's in the health and fitness niche, gaining muscle if it's in the bodybuilder niche, whatever niche you're wanting to go into, you wanna make sure it has lots and lots of testimonials. And also that it has an engaged community, okay? So this is gonna come into play when you actually promote these products to ensure that people are not refunding them and you actually get to keep the money you make. Then you wanna make sure it has an engaged community because you can actually plug your new sales, your new clients, if you will, into that community, and then the community will keep those people motivated, give them the support and everything, and you can actually go out and achieve, freedom and just do whatever you want while that engaged community is helping your new members. And then also, and this is one of the most important I look for, that it has done for you marketing assets, okay? Things like advertisements, things like done for you funnels that are high converting, all that done for you. Now, this is very rare, okay? A lot of high ticket affiliate programs out there do not have this, or they give you things that are not effective and not working. Again, if you do go to the link directly below, you will get access to the exact done for you funnel that I actually use to generate $1,800 on autopilot, as well as templates and different ads you can use when it comes to promoting, as I'll share a little bit later on how exactly I did this. But that's really, the 4 things I look for. Now, once you actually choose a high ticket program to promote, and ideally, again, you have a funnel in place, whether it's done for you or you have some funnel, you need to collect your prospect's email address, and then we want to follow up through some process. Now, I recommend emails because they're passive and they're very easy to set up, okay? Now, these are the 3 simple steps to consistent high ticket commissions. Now, this may look like a lot, but again, keep in mind that step 2 and step 3 will be completely done for you if you choose a proper affiliate program, okay? If you choose a good affiliate program, this is gonna be done for you. So, assuming that 2 and 3 is done for you, the first step is we want to attract our perfect customers to us, and then we wanna send them the link to our funnel. Okay, so again, that's all I did, and that's what I recommend you do. It's incredibly simple, and it only takes about 1 or 2 hours a day. There's 2 main ways you want to attract your perfect customers. Number 1 is you can actually post advertisements, okay, things like photo, text, video, on high traffic websites with a lot of visitors. Okay, now there's actually certain websites out there, I may do a video in the future, so be sure you subscribe, that you can actually post free ads on those websites. And the key of these ads is to generate a lead. We want to generate interest. We want someone asking us for more information. Okay, we want to pique their interest, share a couple benefits of the program we're promoting, and then guide them to our funnel. And again, the funnel will do all the selling, telling, and following up for us. Now, another thing you can do to actually get the word out there and start promoting these products in this program is you want to post, I say about 3 pieces of content. That's kind of enough to make noise in the busy environment that is the social media platforms, right? So you can post 3 pieces of content. Now, it does not matter. All social media platforms work. They're free, and you can access billions of people with a simple click of your mouse, okay? Now, on my channel, I go into more detail on different strategies such as Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, etc. Like I said, pick the one you enjoy the most, and you want to post 3 pieces of content. Now, this could be, if you're on Facebook, this could be a Facebook story or 2 Facebook stories and a post on your wall, okay? That's 3 pieces. On TikTok, you can do 3 short videos a day, okay? So it's just 3 pieces of content. Now, I'm gonna actually share with you an example. Okay, so this is my Facebook right here. Now, I have the link in my description under this video. If you actually wanna add me as a friend on Facebook, you can actually see more of what I'm doing. But essentially, I'm making consistent sales from my Facebook profile. And what I'm doing is I'm just posting simple content right here. Okay, so this is a very simple piece of content. It's just text, okay? And I'm basically just giving benefits of the program that I'm promoting. And then I'm giving a call to action, okay? You always want to be giving a call to action inside of your content and inside of your ads. Now, a call to action is basically a piece of text, okay, that's going to basically tell people to do some sort of action for more information. So in this case, I'm telling them to write the word webinar below if they want more information, okay? Now, I just posted this a couple hours ago, so I'm not sure if anyone has commented yet, okay? But we can see, so far I actually have 10 comments, okay? And, can't wait to join, okay? So you can see I'm generating leads, okay? I'm generating interest. People are starting to get interested, okay? You can also post a thing like this for like a faceless type of post, right? Now, another place you can go is TikTok. So I also am posting on TikTok. Now, in the beginning, I recommend you choose one main platform, but since I've been doing it for a while, I'm actually doing a few different platforms. But on here, again, the strategy is very similar. You want to just create very simple videos. My videos are about, a minute to maybe 2 minutes max, sometimes, 5 seconds for like these, text videos. And what I'm doing in the video, again, is I'm telling, my story on how it relates to the program I'm promoting. I'm sharing some benefits, and then I'm telling people to either comment or to go to the link in my bio. And then I'm just sending them the link, okay? Now you can see the link in my bio here. And again, I have the link to my TikTok in the description if you want to follow me there and see what I'm doing, because it's actually working, okay? Now, you post that 3 pieces of content, and again, you're going to send people to your link. So when people ask you, when people comment on Facebook, okay, when they respond, send it over, or they ask me, I'm just messaging those people the link to the funnel, okay? Now, this is the automated system. This is the funnel that you should have in place, okay? And again, at the link directly below, you can actually get access to this done for you. But essentially, it's going to start with a page to capture their email. Now, this is a real example right here, okay? I'm sure you've seen one of these pages online. The purpose of this is to capture our prospect's email. So they put their email in, and then basically what happens is they get redirected to a page where they can decide to buy. Now, most people will not buy right away, okay? So you can see right here, it redirects them to a sales page where they can actually buy. Now, if they buy, we'll start making money with the products inside of the program that we're selling. But if they don't decide to buy right away, they get added also to an email list, okay, which is just a list of our prospects' email addresses, and then they start getting followed up with through automated emails, and inside of these emails, it sends them back to the sales page. So when they've seen enough evidence, when they see enough testimonials, they're confident and they feel safe enough, they'll actually go back here and decide to buy. And again, that's when we'll actually make money into however the affiliate program or digital marketing program allows you to get paid, okay? Now, so again, when people put their email in, they also get added to an email follow-up. Now, this is an example. Okay, so you can see, this campaign right here, there's different emails, and these go out about 1 per day, following up with your leads, converting them into sales. And again, inside of these emails has a link to ultimately go and decide to buy, right? So this is the process that I actually used. Again, you want to post ads and content, okay? Just pick one social media platform in the beginning. You can also post ads on sites similar to Craigslist. When you do that, you're going to generate leads. People are going to ask you for more information. You send them the link, which is going to go to a capture page, and then it should do all the selling, telling, and following up for you. Now, one last thing before I get going, I want to share with you a strategy to scale this. Okay, so as you're doing this, as you're posting your content, Okay, if you choose like Facebook, you're posting your content here, you're posting your content maybe on TikTok, maybe Pinterest. What I recommend you do is this, okay? So what I recommend is once a week, you want to analyze your analytics. Okay, you want to look at your funnel analytics, okay? So your squeeze page or capture page, the opt-in rate, what percent of people are putting their email in, okay? You want to look at your leads, like what percent of people are opening, okay? You want to look at your posts, like what posts are actually over that last week are actually getting you the most likes, the most leads, okay? On TikTok, if you're doing TikTok, what videos are getting the most views? And then what you want to do again is what worked. What hashtags did you use that actually worked? What didn't work? Okay, so what did you do that didn't work? Maybe you tried a new post and you didn't get a lot of engagement. So then, over that next following week, you just want to implement more of what worked that following week. Okay, so what you're doing is you're constantly iterating, you're constantly getting better and better by analyzing what's working, because whatever gets measured gets managed. Okay, so this is going to allow you to do that. So I really hope you enjoyed learning this high-ticket affiliate marketing step-by-step process. Again, there will be a link directly below where you can get a free video revealing my #1 digital marketing and affiliate marketing program that actually gives all of this done for you, assets, a community, okay, of over 30,000 people. And it really checks all of the boxes on this right here. And also be sure to subscribe if you got value, like this video as well. And until next time, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.